Alright everyone, here we are with another video with Invest for tomorrow. And to all the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel, and to all the subscribers, welcome back. All I ask for in return is for you to smash that like button to let me know you watch this video, and to stay tuned on in towards the second half of this video, guys. Right after this chart analysis, I have a ticker symbol to share with you guys that you won't want to miss, as well as discuss the ticker symbols I mentioned this morning over at the Discord that gave us 5 to 10% opportunities today. And on a regular day, we're looking for 5 to 10% even when the market is falling. On a great day, we're looking for 10 to 20%, and 20% plus opportunities are home runs. We hit 2 this week so far, and so far we've been hitting some regular opportunities and some great ones this week. So if that's something that interests you and you want to become part of, you're more than welcome to, and we look forward to having you join us. The link is down below in the description to the Discord. But let's go ahead and jump into ZOM Stock, Zomedica Corp, and we'll talk more about the ticker symbol you won't want to miss and the ticker symbols I mentioned this morning at the Discord. So Zomedica Corp, ZOM Stock, has actually dipped from yesterday's run. We saw some momentum forming here, and it's starting to pull back. It hit a low here of 69 cents. I think that's the most important support level right now in the bearish trajectory that it had, but it was building momentum, and now that momentum has been eaten away, and we're seeing it go downwards. Now, we're going to talk about today's high, where it's at, and we're below the 50-day moving average, which means right now the bears are dominating, but it is in tug-of-war zone. So the lowest point of the day is down here at 77 cents, guys. If that gets broken through, this could be on its way down to newer lows, new support levels, and we'll have to watch and see how it does between 77 cents and 74 cents down here at 74.51 to see if the bulls try to reappear and bring it back up, or if the bears tear this one down completely to newer lows. Now, our 50-day moving average is right here at 79.56 to be exact. Anything below it is bearish, anything above it is bullish. The bulls need to break through that to reach newer highs and new resistance levels. Now, before they can accomplish that, the highest point that they've reached after this dip and slight momentum here that's built is right here at 79 cents to the T. So this is to the hundreds and thousands place off by 56, but it's all in the 79-cent range. So these two need to be broken through by the bulls to reach newer highs and get back into bullish territory. But 79 cents does not guarantee that the bulls have gained control. This is just a stepping stone to get one step closer to 79.56. What the bulls really want to break through is the highest point that they reached today, and that was up here at 80 cents, guys. 80 cents needs to be broken through and turn into a support so that the bulls can get out of bearish territory, break through the 50-day moving average, and get back into bullish territory. And by breaking through this resistance and turning it into a support and pulling away from it, they're pulling away from the 50-day moving average, getting deeper into bullish territory. So those are going to be some cues and points to watch going into tomorrow. Right now, the stock is looking like it has weakness. This could be a consolidation period that it can kind of go sideways till the next catalyst, or it may continue to pull back. So we want to watch these support levels very closely. We are in bearish territory. If you learned something new, don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell so you don't miss a single video that I post. And let's go ahead and talk about the ticker symbols I mentioned this morning over at the Discord, and the ticker symbol you won't want to miss that you definitely want to have on your watch list. It's already given us 2 swing trade opportunities this week alone. The ticker symbol I have to share with you guys today is one that I've talked about before. I did a full video on it when it IPO'd. I swing traded it, and into its weakness, I've been watching it. I finally mentioned it over at the Patreon this weekend, and I'm here to share with you guys. It's given great swing trade opportunities as well as great entries for those that are long. But we're going to talk about that in just a moment. I want to share with you guys the ticker symbols I mentioned this morning over at the Discord. Even when the stock market is falling, we're looking for opportunities to stay in the green, stay active, making money while the stock market continues to move with its volatility. We find opportunities from 5 to 10% on a regular day, 10 to 20% on a great day, and 20% plus are home runs, guys. So if that's something that interests you and you want to become part of, you're more than welcome to, and we look forward to having you join us. The links are down below in the description to the Discord. So let's go ahead and check out what we talked about today. So we were talking about different stocks that I was watching with caution, especially with today's movement, right, in the stock market. And I had my stop losses super close at 5. And both of them, I'm going off of charts and technicals. I couldn't really find anything hype or crazy news about it. Just the charts itself alone is what we had. And one of them was LIXT and the other one was LPTH. And these were the prices where I started watching them. Let's look at their charts. So I mentioned these a few minutes before the bell because I was updating everyone on the possible drawbacks of why the stock market was falling this morning, and it was in the red. Bitcoin was hitting new lows, and I mean, we just had a lot of things to discuss. So LIXT, I went ahead and talked about it at 341 when I mentioned it, and it gave a quick 5% plus within just minutes. So not only did it do that, but right after that pullback, it started to hit a new low, and it hit a low here of about 296, and it shot up to a high of 333. Within just 30 minutes of the day, it gave us two opportunities, a 5% plus opportunity and a 5 to 10% plus opportunity here within this second jump. It was pretty impressive to start the day like this, even though the markets were red, and we'll continue to look for those 5 to 10% opportunities on a regular day, 10 to 20% on a great day, and 20% plus is our home runs, right? So here's our other one. It was LPTH. We mentioned this one over at 273 in the morning. It pulled back here to about a low of 264, and it shot up here to a high of 287. So when you do the math, it gave a 8% to 10% opportunity at its highest points. But just to go ahead and make it a little broader, it gave a 5 to 10% opportunity. Realistically speaking, this is what we look for daily. Anything beyond 10% is great, and anything beyond 20% is phenomenal, and it's a home run, guys. So if this is something that interests you and you want to become part of, you're more than welcome to join us over at the Discord. The link is down below in the description. So what ticker symbol was I talking about that you want to add to your watch list? Well, it is ABNB, Airbnb Inc., guys. This right now is in a position where it has given us this week alone, right? If you think about it, the week just started on the 17th, and on the 17th, it gave us a low here of 130 and a high of 138, came back down to 130 and has given us another high of 138. So if you really look at the way this chart is moving, right now 130 seems to be a support, 138 seems to be a resistance, and within that area, it's given 5% plus opportunities within just 2 days. And if you put it together and you get 5% one day and 5% the next day, it gave 10% so far this week. But if we zoom this out and look at it from the bigger picture, I mean, we're getting pretty close to those lows of when this IPO'd, hitting a high here of 164, pulling back, and then running up to 173. Now, I'm not saying that if it hits the 120s or the 130s or anything like that, it's going to just run up to the 170s or 180s. This is probably going to take some time for those that are long, but those that are looking to swing trade, it could give a 10 to 20% opportunity as it hits its new lows or consolidates before the next catalyst of making this one jump up. I definitely recommend doing your research and due diligence on this one, looking more into it, understanding this business and what it's doing, because this is revolutionizing the way hospitality works and how people know traveling is done and how it works, and it's just changing everything about it. So this is going to be revolutionary. It's going to be impacting, right, and dominating in its niche. And I think that there's a lot of room, and not only do I think that, but analysis ratings are pointing this one to the upside as well. And within this weakness, it's going to be very interesting to see if it hits newer lows or consolidates, turning out to be the best prices we can see in the near future. So definitely do your research, do your due diligence. This is not financial advice. I'm not here to tell you guys to buy, sell, or hold any positions in any of the stocks I mentioned. If not, enlighten you guys on opportunities that the market is showing us based off of the charts and the indicators and just the technicals overall and the fundamentals of these companies. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.